In this video, I'll show you how to get the normal Roblox back after the Roblox Kids and Select update. Start by going to the More page, then open Settings. Next, tap on Account Info. Scroll down until you see Check Your Age to get more features. Then tap the Continue button. If needed, complete the verification. Then tap Continue again. Tap Continue one more time and allow Roblox to use your camera if asked. Follow the steps to finish the age check. Once it's done, Roblox will place you into an age group. If you're placed in the 16 or older age group, you'll get the normal Roblox back. If your age group is incorrect, you can tap the Reset button on the Account Info page to do the age check again. Keep in mind that you can only reset and redo the age check once. You can also choose to verify your age with an ID to make sure your age is correct and get the normal Roblox back. Please leave a like if you found this video helpful.